Never have I seen such compassion, such love. It was love of a kind I had never experienced. The love of God for a woman begging forgiveness, desperately wanting to be made clean.
We all need each other's love and understanding, not condemnation. And Jesus' purpose in dealing with this woman was to show her that no matter how great she had sinned, His grace, His mercy, and His compassion was greater than her sins.
For more information and inspiration from Morris Cerullo's 7 decades of ministry, please visit 247victory.com.